Okay, I think this is recording. So I did something that I've never done before in my life and purchased a tea kettle. Very cheap tea kettle, but a tea kettle nonetheless. And I'm going to use it for the first time. I should probably take the paper out. Let's see, what are the special instructions for using a tea kettle? Not remove max fill label, blah 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 blah. Avoid damage. Fill the kettle with cold water. Scalding hazard. Burner equal size to or smaller than the kettle bottom. Ensure spout faces away from you. Don't use a larger burner than the bottom of the kettle, or it will damage the kettle. I think I've been fully briefed on kettle operation. I'm going to try it out for the first time. It's going to rock.